Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen dimming on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on display and brightness. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness and turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will say phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.